Then we can, yeah, we can think of kind of smart city projects, not only inside the building, but also think of the whole area. And yeah, this is the concept.
Was the proposal of the project sent to your company specifically, or was it given to many companies and then your company was selected?
The project was the project owner was Tokyo Met.
Tokyo Met.
And they done a competition, and
Competition.
we Tokyo Land Corporation and Kajima Corporation is a construction company where we still working as a project owner, but we were selected by the Tokyo Met, and SoftBank is a tenant of this building, so they joined after we were selected by and started this project. So the project started in 2013, more almost 10 years.
Our project is about the AI technology use in urban areas. So we were thinking about the cases where you use artificial intelligence in this building or in Tokyo City. And we saw these robots in this building. So we were thinking about, we wanted to ask what do you think about the limitations of using artificial intelligence?
I'm not sure which part is artificial, is artificial intelligence is installed. So, for example, to think of a building, actually, we were thinking of a little bit thinking of maybe we might need to use robots in this building, but their building is, of course, for human basically. So, for example, robots cannot. There's like doors, heavy doors that robots cannot open. That means if we want to send something on the upper floor by the robots automatically, but they cannot pass through some doors, so it's not easy.
So, and we wanted to do an interview with the visitors of this smart building, and we thought that since Japan is an aging society, the use of robots and smart technology might be hard for the elderly people. So we're curious if there are any elderly visitors in this building and if they have any difficulties.
Oh, actually, those robots, for example, is not like doesn't have connections like with those people coming to the facilities. Not only elder person, but for every. They're just moving. But maybe, for example, there's a gate at the upper floor at the office lobby for SoftBank. People could be recognized automatically, and then the elevator connects directly, and then you don't need to push a button, and then it recognizes which floor you want to go. That's the example. So it's very comfortable and convenient, but maybe uh, for visitors and elderly person, it might be sometimes a little bit difficult to understand the way to use the system. Might be, for example, you need to bring the QR code or something to enter that security gate. But I don't know. Some other person might be not used to those technologies, so maybe there might be some what.
Is the Takashiba area one of like the leading areas for this vision?
The Tokyo Met, they selected 3 leading projects in 2020, and the project was for 3 years, and this year is the last year. So, but we were one of the selected leading project in Tokyo. So,
Then I guess it is a very important position as part of the society. We're also curious about how this smart city leading area can contribute to the SDGs.
maybe we have, for example, we have a rice field over here, and that's what should I say? Not a simple greenery for visual kind of things, but we're thinking of
The environment.
environment. Yeah, there's a in case of a disaster, there's a emergency power generation system on the upper floor because it's in the waterfront area. There might be a tide. I mean, the water level might be higher, so we put it on the upper floor. But the generation system, emergency power generation system, will yeah, make it possible to continue use of this building for at least 3 days in case
Without
the
electricity.
electricity is yeah, stopped. Highway, which is move around, and it also
And it's a new town recently developed from old factory site. It is a bustling area that numerous high-rise condominiums, offices, and commercial facilities are built. This is the first place that installed DX Core, which I will explain later. This is a basic strategy of our initiatives. Toyosu Smart City Platform will be its infrastructure. This page is about the building OS, trade name DX Core, which is the core part of Toyosu Smart City Platform. DX Core's main feature is possible to connect different devices and applications from different companies with programless. DX Core is possible to apply to various usage of facility through EDs. Introducing an example for office at video. For example, medical facilities are one of them. Japanese medical industry tried to progress work streamline by utilizing medical data based on digital medical records. But still, there are issues such as reforming doctors' work style for 2024, outpatient waiting for a long time. We are planning to connect with other platforms such as Toyosu 3D Map Tokyo Data Platform and Government Disaster Prevention Platform. We are expanding services connecting City OS and DX Core and utilizing information indoor and outdoor. We succeeded to create a new voice navigation system. Michino Terrace Toyosu is connected among digital signage, DX Core application, and large screen. These equipments provide information during daily times and disaster prevention or transportation information for commuters unable to get home during disasters to encourage optimal behavioral change. This is still in a proof of concept phase that we are working on creation of Basel through using digital signage at entire area of Toyosu. We also established a portal website connected with LINE so everyone can browse information projected on signage by smartphone. This is a demonstration of combining real space and cyberspace as an AR information for smart glasses. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
So do you consider that the robots are going to move before you build a building? We don't design for robots, we use for human beings. So you mentioned about the design of the tiles. Okay, yeah, so we don't design for that. Do you have any plans to think about the robots moving in the future? Yes. After in the near future, we will guide by only robots of the visitors. So I think it's kind of noisy, but yeah, robots will move around of this area. Yeah.
I heard that every third Saturday the people be crowded from Toyota.
Yeah.
Toyota. Maybe it's a kind of event.
Yes.
But I don't give any information on today's presentation. So
Okay.
Third Saturday on every month, we hold this market and we introduce about local food of all over Japan, and we connect the relations, we connect the local and then install the smart city for this local.
This is digital signage. We can catch some information in the building. For example, how many persons in this building. This is some news. This is crowded people, same one.
Okay.
This is information robot. This robot connects to DX core in the building. Now he's connecting DX core. So please, this door is open.